I miss you like crazy. Starting facing 130, we're gonna have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. There is one option. Instead of an aerial ronde, you can make a sweep. You're going to have 7 and 8. In wall 3, after 16 counts, we're going to have the restart where you finish in this foot, step, and foot. You're going to do to the side, and then start again, 1, facing again into the diagonal.